Hello everyone! So for today's video ay i-remind ko lang po lahat ng mga mag-a-attend pa ng kanilang onboarding seminar or onboarding training kasi yun yung pinaka-last na natin na training right after na nag-CE demo tayo. So yung bang nakapasa ka na, it's more on orientation na sa pagsisimula mo na as a 5-1 Talk teacher. So isa sa task natin dyan is magpa-plot ka na ng iyong mga schedule. Kasi nga, after mga 24 hours or less than 24 hours, ay malo-launch ka na talaga. Basta kompleto lang yung mga requirements mo. As I have said, yung pag-plot natin ng schedule, let us take note po na military time po yung nandun sa ating my page. Take note na yung 7 o'clock is 7 o'clock in the morning. Kasi yung 7 o'clock in the evening, that is 1900. So maraming mga teachers na nagkakamali dyan. Ito rin yung nagiging source ng kanilang absences. Kasi yung kanilang na-plot is dun sa umaga, hindi po sa gabi. So always remember, it is military time. So kung sa gabi talaga kayo, kasi yun talaga yung peak hours, dapat dun kayo simula sa 1800, that is equivalent to 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay? And onwards. So always remember, it's military time. Wag na wag talaga kayong magkamali. Kasi baka, ang iniisip nyo, mamayang gabi pa naman ako may open slot. Kaninang morning lang pala yung open slots mo. Pagtingin mo sa iyong my page, ay mayroon ka ng absent. Kasi may biglang nag-sudden bookings sa iyong mga morning slots. Kasi yung inopen mo is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So that is really morning slots. At ang gabing slots natin is tinatawag natin siyang 1800, that is 6 o'clock, 1900, that is 7 o'clock, 2000, that is 8 o'clock, and so on. So always take into consideration that our time here at 5-1 Talk, especially in plotting our schedule, is military time. So let us be very careful about it. Kasi noon rin, when I first started here in 5-1 Talk, medyo nalito ako dyan. Yeah. So let us take a look of it closely. Focus tayo sa pag-open ng slot para naman hindi tayo magka-sudden bookings at magka-absent, magka-penalty. Grounded na po tayo sa ating visibility. Okay, that would be all for today. Thank you so much and I hope na this video helps you, especially sa mga newbies. Now, if you want me to guide you, ganun pa rin teachers, if you trust me to be your guide, just message me here in TikTok or in Messenger or comment down below how so that I can message you back. That would be all. Thank you so much. And bye-bye. Medyo pinaos na si Teacher Tricia. Pause na kasi. Thank you so much for watching.